Dear students, in this program, we will take some numbers as input and check whether these numbers are prime or not. So, we are taking input from the user through prompt by this line of code. Number is equal to integer input, enter any number. So, we will check whether input number is prime or not. You know that a number is said to be prime if it is divisible only by 1 and itself. So 3, 7, 13 are prime numbers, but 12, 6 are not prime, as we can divide them by 2, 3. In case of 12, we can divide it by 2, 3, 4 and 6, and the number itself, and with 1 we can divide 12 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and by 12. So you must also remember that a prime number is always positive. So we will check this in the beginning. This condition, if number is greater than 1, if the number is a positive number, so we have given it here, prime number is always greater than 1. We have commented this, and in this line we will check if the number is greater than 1. Here we will start our loop. So you see that here. So the loop begins from here. In this loop we will check that we will divide the input number by all numbers in the range of 2 to number minus 1. We did this to check whether there are any positive divisors other than 1 and number itself. So if any divisor is found, then we display the message that the number is not a prime, else we display the message that the number is a prime number. So you see that we have used break statement here. We have used break statement. So what is the purpose of this statement? We have used it in a loop to come out of the loop as soon as any positive divisor is found, as there is no further check required. So the other condition is that this else print number is a prime number. So if the entered number is less than or equal to 1, then it is not a prime number. We have there multi-line comments. Else print number is not a prime number. So this else body belongs to this block. So we know that in Python we use indentation in the code that separates the lines, a block of code, from other block of code. So empty spaces are used as indent. We will execute this code and check. We will check 1. So you see that 1 is not a prime number, as we know that prime number is always greater than 1. So this condition is not fulfilling here. When we enter 1 as input, the first condition, if the number is greater than 1, does not fulfill. So it returns the number is not a prime number here. So we will check 2. We check minus 1 first. So you see that minus 1 is not a prime number. Minus 1 is not a prime number. We execute this code again and check 2. So you see that 2 is a prime number, as it is only divisible by 2 and by 1. We will check 3 as input, and we see that 3 is a prime number. So I will check this with 4, which is divisible by 2 and 1 and 4 itself. So you see that 4 is not a prime number. Now we enter 12 as input here. So you see that 12 is not a prime number. We enter 13 to check if our condition will met, then you see that it is showing that 13 is a prime number. So this program was about taking input from the user through prompt and then checking it whether it is